Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jahbrazy back with another video, and as y'all can see by the title, how to start a clothing brand in 2024. In this video, we will be teaching you guys how to start a clothing brand in 2024. So get your pen and paper. Start jotting this down. You are going to need this. I'm telling you right now, you're going to need this. I'm telling you. And before we start the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Send this to somebody who is trying to start a clothing brand. Send this to your mommy, auntie, your uncle, everybody. Send it to everybody, man.
To everybody.
Let them know how to start a clothing brand in 2024. Let's get into it.
Disclaimer: if you do not subscribe, you are tripping.
I'm telling you right now, jawforreal.com. There is so much game on here that you can get for the low. Y'all make sure y'all type in jawforreal.com or go to the link in my description and go get the game, the sauce, before I start taxing for it, man. But yeah, let's go and get into the video. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we are in a hotel. Y'all probably like, what is going on? We are in Atlanta right now. We are on a business trip, but we leave tomorrow. There's a lot of stuff everywhere, you know. We're gonna pack and get going. But anyways, besides that, let's just get into the video. How to start a clothing brand in 2024. All right, the first thing you need to do in 2024 to start a clothing brand is choose your brand name. Don't do something that's overused. Be unique, be different. That will, it'll be easier for you to blow up. It'll be way easier, you know, because people won't call you a clone, etc. Y'all know how social media get. Y'all know. So just, you know, be smart with your decisions. Number two. Dose. Create a fire logo to match with the name. A fire logo. Actually, this isn't promoting my service or anything like that. But I have a design page, and my team can make a design for a logo if you need it. But you can go on Fiverr. Where else can you go?
Fiverr, Upwork. You can go on IG, bro, and search up .std and find a group of graphic designers that can make your logo, your designs.
Yeah. A lot of y'all need help with designing and stuff like that. Don't try to do it all by yourself. You know, there's people who can help you out. So don't be too worried about that. You know, just find a designer. I mean, like you said, Instagram. Even people nowadays on TikTok are promoting their designing services. So don't be afraid to, you know, pay a little tab and get, you know, things done for your brand.
Yeah, but so those are the first two steps that he just dropped. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all step number 3, and step number 3 is to create your very own first mock-up for your clothing brand. The first mock-up is like the NFL draft, the NBA draft. Did they got a draft? The NFL combine. Like I said, it's basically you showcasing your work. It's basically you showcasing your work to the world for the very first time. So this piece is very, very important. And like Ja just said, there's a couple ways you can go about doing this. You can hire a designer. You can do it yourself on sites like Photopea, Photoshop, Canva, all those different sites. Or like he said, you can hire a designer on Instagram or Fiverr. Like he said, just search .std on Instagram and you can find some designers. Your first mockup is very, very important because like I just said, it is a staple to your brand, bro. So really lock in and figure out how you want that mockup to look and all those good things, man. On to step number 4 is before you even get a sample, before you even text the manufacturer and get a sample, you want to get opinions on that mockup. Those opinions are very, very important, bro, because if people aren't liking your product, why would you even waste your time talking to a manufacturer to go get a sample? You feel me? You got to put your mockup out to the world. Don't post it on your brand IG. Do not do that. But show your family, show your friends like, yo, bro, I'm cooking this up for my clothing brand. Let me know what you think. You feel me? That way you can get honest opinions on your piece before you go ahead and drop it and you're like, oh, okay, people actually don't like this. You feel me? It helps you avoid the process of spending so much money on all these different things when you just get the opinions up front, bro. Step number 5 is to get that mock-up sampled by a manufacturer. Out of all these steps, this might be the most difficult part because it's really hard to find a trustworthy manufacturer out there. But once you do, you are in the green, bro. Basically, if y'all guys don't know, a sample is just an individual piece of a whole clothing item, right? So this may be a sample. If I get one hoodie order from a manufacturer, that's a sample item. They go try to tax you for them, so watch out for that. But get your sample from your manufacturer, text them on IG, text them on WhatsApp, text them on Alibaba. I'm sure John got a manufacturer list. I got a manufacturer list I can tap into, bro. So yes, all you gotta do is text manufacturer and get your first sample, bro.
Number six. What is that in Spanish?
Unos, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis.
Say it again.
No. Yes is 7. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. I thought Ocho was 8 though.
Ocho is 8. Ocho Cinco. Remember Ocho 8? He's 88. So that's how I know it. Ocho. I don't know. Let's get back to the brand, man. Let's get back to giving y'all sauce. I don't know. But number 6, start promoting that sample on social media platforms. Y'all, not gonna lie, YouTube Shorts is good. There's people on YouTube Shorts. Y'all gotta understand, you might not do one thing, but other people will. So do not be afraid to post on Twitter, social media, Instagram. Wait, why I say social media again? Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Use your personal audience you got. Use the people you know. Just promote on your own page. Promote. That's how we kind of started. Like, hey, we had this piece. We did a photo shoot. We both posted on our own pages. We was like, hey, y'all, hey, we got this. Like, y'all come get this. Like, this is what we started. You know what I'm saying? And even to now, people like, yo, like, bro, like, it's crazy. We seen y'all growth from here to there. It's like we always like, we never ever like hit our brand. Like, we always let people know, like, hey, this is us. Like, you know, like anything we got in, we promoted it. We promoted it. Number 7, if people like it, start your Shopify site. I'm pretty sure they have a Shopify for $1.
Shopify
right?
for $1, bro.
Don't you have that link? You have that link?
I don't got the link no more. I stopped doing that. But $1 Shopify a month, bro. All you gotta do is search up Shopify free trial. You get Shopify for $1, bro.
$1 for like, is it 1 month or 3 months?
1 month.
1 month. Yeah, like, come on, y'all. Y'all can have everything set up, everything started, and do not worry about trying to figure out what's going on in Shopify. Y'all, DM us on Instagram if you need any help. There's a bunch of brand owners out here. You don't have to DM us. A lot of people in the clothing brand game will help you out.
DM us though. Still DM us.
Hit us up.
Yeah.
Word.
Boom. On to step number, I'm not even sure which number you're on. On to step number 8, bro. Pretty much what you gotta do is promote that sample on TikTok while the manufacturer is working on your bulk order after you already. Is this accurate? What is it?
Yeah. It's accurate.
Oh, word, bet. On to step number 8, bro. All you gotta do is pretty much promote your sample on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Snapchat, on all these different social media platforms while your manufacturer is working on your bulk order, or if you're running a pre-order, you feel me, you can just promote it on the side. But yeah, those are the platforms you need to market on, bro. Post your content every single day. Make sure you're engaging with your audience. Post engaging content, bro. Don't just be picking up the camera and recording no BS. Post stuff that you actually know people want to see, that resonates with your clothing brand. That way you get a lot of engagement. That way you get a lot of views, bro. So yeah, that's step number 8.
Y'all, actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut in a part of how we kind of make our marketing and how just it looks. Because we just used this for our last drop called Love Mox Art. So yeah, I'm going to just, actually Love Mox, I'm sorry. I'm going to just like pop up just a quick little vid right here, just showing y'all like how our marketing is and stuff like that. Like, just show y'all right here. But yeah, it should be almost done. All right, yeah, we're good. All right, good.
But yeah, on to step number 9, bro. Let me pull it up real quick. My phone keep tripping, y'all. Step number 9 would be to launch your clothing brand and go crazy, bro. This is what I basically mean by launch your clothing brand. It is a lot of steps, but we basically just summed it up into like one kind of small step, which is launch your brand. You got to get your samples in. You got to promote your brand on TikTok. You got to open up your website. You got to put the products on the website. You got to come up with a price, come up with a description, come up with a theme for your website, come up with a theme for your drop. There's a lot of work that honestly got to be put into actually publishing your product and getting those sales. But once those sales start rolling in, bro, you're going to feel real good. You're like, dang, I started from this point. You feel me? You started from step 1, where y'all told y'all to pick a cool name for your brand. Now you're on step 9 and you're getting sales, bro.
All right, you guys, that is all the steps you need to start a clothing brand in 2024. Y'all, that's all the steps you need. You do not need to go search anywhere else. We literally told you exactly what to do. Go send us to any other brand owner. They're going to say, yeah, they're right. Because we know exactly what we are talking about. Y'all, we're in the game for almost about a year. Made over 6 figures. Made over 100,000 this year. It is actually December 31st. Tomorrow is 2024. Tomorrow's 2024, which is kind of crazy. But, yeah. We just want to tell you guys something real quick. Starting 2024, we are creating a community. By the time the video is uploaded, the community has already been started, so we'll probably put it in the description. We teach you guys exactly how to start a clothing brand and what to do while you're in the clothing brand. A lot of people have questions like, okay, so cool, they dropped, right? Or they're waiting for their stuff to get made. What do they do in that downtime? We help them out. We just talk to you guys. It's like family. It's a community. Right. We help you guys out and all that. I mean, no, it is not going to be free, so it's gonna cost. It's gonna cost, but listen, y'all, you're gonna get your knowledge. You're gonna get your money worth for sure. So, yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. And mindofd.com, jahbrazy.com. A lot of you guys like like I said earlier, be kind of confused on what to do with like content and stuff like that, I just actually published on my website 30 plus content ideas. So yeah, if you need help with content, just go cop that right now. It is in the description. You got anything else you want to say?
Bro, just to touch on what he was saying, bro, like this community is built for y'all. Like, we just trying to help everybody else get out their situation. Because people be telling us, like, bro, you motivate me. I be watching. We went to ATL today. We probably had 20 people say, yo, bro, I appreciate the game and the sauce that y'all be giving. So it's obviously working, bro. This community is built for y'all to grow and scale y'all brands. We're going to be talking about manufacturers, ads, how to communicate with manufacturers, how to really market your clothing brand, bro, because nobody really go truly tell you how to actually market it, because then you got their marketing sauce. You feel me? You got their marketing sauce, now you doing the same things they doing, now you taking away eyes from their clothing brand. You feel me? But yeah.
But listen though, anybody who really watches us knows that we really don't gatekeep anything. A lot of people today was like, hey, you guys don't really gatekeep anything. You guys really tell like what be going on. Because a lot of people will be doing this and that be real successful, but they really don't be telling other people what to do, which is fine, but we just decided to help you guys out. So I just hope you guys like understand what we're really doing here.
For sure.
Anything else you want to say?
That's all I got, y'all boys, man.
Oh God, that's all we got. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And right now it is 2:47 in the morning. We leave tomorrow. We just want to shoot this video for you guys because I know a lot of you guys are like going to want to start a brand this year. So yeah, don't be afraid. Put your brand on the map. And I'm wondering who's going to be Rookie of the Year this year, man. I'm wondering who it is. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like we might have been Rookie of the Year last year. Hey, we was turning up. I cannot lie.